it's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shop.
And we are back with another video. As you guys can see, we are in the garage. As you guys see by the thumbnail on the title, we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna be doing the last person to leave the hot garage. And when I say hot, it is. Guys, I'm already, I don't know if you guys see. I don't know if you guys see, but I'm already sweating. I just got on here like a minute ago. Matter of fact, let's see how hot it is.
It's hot.
90 degrees.
It's 90 degrees outside, and inside of this closed.
It's closed.
Garage.
The lights are making it even worse.
The deep freezer.
Deep freezer right here is, even though it's cold inside, is the heat.
Man.
I'm already sweating. Like, I'm already sweating. I don't know if you guys see, but I'm already sweating, guys. But yeah, let's get back to the time. We're gonna do the last one to leave the hot garage challenge wins what?
Wins $10,000.
She capping. We ain't got no $10,000. I say let's put the $300.
$300? $300?
Yeah, $300. That's way better than $10,000. I ain't got $10,000 on you.
You got 300?
You got 300?
Hell.
I know I'm gonna win this year.
No, you're not.
Why?
Cause I'm finna be sitting, I'm chilling. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. We went to the gym one time and we sat in that sauna. This boy, woo!
Nah, the sauna is way different than
Y'all, I'm gonna try to see if I can find the video. I'm gonna put it inside of this video so y'all can see how this boy was reacting in that sauna.
Oh.
Wow.
I sit down, I just ran over.
I was chilling. I'm good with the warm.
But yeah, man, as you guys see, man, I gotta give me some water up in here. She got her some juice. And she got her some chicken. This water gonna be my babe tonight.
Whatever.
But yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. We finna do this thing right now, man. You got to pray for us. This is not.
Yeah, so we about to get ready to dive straight into this video. We're gonna probably do a couple TikTok videos, so make sure y'all go follow my TikTok. I'm gonna put it up here, or it's gonna be in the description below.
So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we're finna jump into this video right now. So yeah, you already got anything you want to say?
That's it. Well, we already in this video.
Yeah, the video already started, so it already started. We already in here. I'm already sweating.
I'm sweating. We're moving around.
Let's do a couple runs from that.
Run around.
Yeah. The last person to leave. Shit, I'm trying to win this money.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
That's too much.
Come on. She trying. This is how she gonna cheat. She gonna stop still.
But it's still cold.
Don't worry, go get hot.
It was popping though. Yeah, my mom barbecued some chicken, y'all.
Boy, you was sweating, boy.
Am I really?
You sweating. Woo.
My wig's gonna come off.
I was like 7 pounds up in your hair. Okay, bring it back. Woo. You a cheater, bro.
Baby, let me tell you something. If I see a bug or something here,
she run up on her here. I think I'm win.
I'm jumping on you.
You need to that?
Bitch, I know you fucking lying.
Why?
You're about your own food.
Alright, keep it. I got my water.
No, here.
No, I'm good.
Cause you know you cook chicken.
That water cold.
That make chicken good. Babe, you gonna eat the warm side. Y'all mama make the best barbecue. Man.
Come on, we got run around here five times.
Y'all look at my face.
We got run around here 5 times.
Right, come on.
Come on. Chop.
What?
Don't chop the chicken, no. Chop.
Why not barbecue?
Come on, run around the chicken. Chill.
Come here. You wanna play? You play too much. Come on, do these TikTok videos.
Watch TikTok video.
Whoa. Stop. Damn, boy, that itch.
Boy, it's only 5 minutes.
Only 6 minutes to this video.
Damn. Just put it already, man. Are you hot? Or are you not hot?
I ain't hot.
You ain't hot?
Nope.
Cause you standing still, that's why you ain't hot. You a cheater, man.
I'm eating hot chicken.
Don't do this at home. It's hot. It's only 7 minutes. 7 minutes.
Really?
Yes. Barely.
Barely.
Ooh, you left chicken. You put it in the grill?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you don't do that? Mm-hmm. We gotta stand out here, come on.
Why?
It's ready to heat it. Zoom in. Please zoom in on this.
Oh. Baby fresh?
Bruh.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, you about to tear that bone up.
It's about to go down.
Boy, you turn that bone up. Alright. Babe, put this in your ear.
What?
Cause we don't want to get copyrighted. Ooh. I see you.
What am I doing?
I see you.
You're making the camera black, bro.
Y'all look at my face. Y'all see the sweat? Let's see. I'm about to knock you out. Why you hit me? That scared the shit out of me. Babe, come on, let's do TikTok. Put this in your ear.
Man, wait, Mario!
What? What? Speak English. Oh, excuse me. Okay, I want this one here. You take this one here, baby. All right, are we connected? Y'all, we finna do TikTok videos.
Guys, you're trying to do extra calorie.
That you had.
Nope, give it up.
Say
That's it. Boy, what we trying to do?
extra activities.
Extracurricular activities.
Yes, so that we can get more hot, so somebody can leave out this garage.
Y'all, follow me on my TikTok.
It's only 10 minutes. Can you guys see that sweat? Guys, if y'all go in that garage, man, y'all know what the hell is that? Big man. Ha ha! Don't care. Stay mad. Guys, if y'all ever go in your garage, y'all see how hot it is? Yeah, it's hot.
All right, come on, babe. We finna do this. Couples who. Access camera. Okay. Access mic. Okay. We finna do this one. It's called who the first couple something. All right, babe. Come on.
Boy, you're shit treason.
Babe, you sure? Stop playing with me if I knock you out. Come on now. Shit's sticking together. Shoot. Come on now. I'm finna start it.
What we doing?
We're finna do the couples questions. You ready?
I'm ready. What's this?
Boy,
I mean, you said we're doing a video. I don't know what we're doing.
listen, Linda.
Alright. Come, Linda. Guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. Subscribe. 30 minutes in this video.
13.
Babe, quit already.
All right, come on. TikTok video. Damn. Okay, let me post these. I didn't even see you do that.
Really? I ain't got no guy.
Woo.
You said who has the most kids, man? Kids. That should be you. But you stop on top of you want 10, 50 kids. That little chihuahua can't produce 10, 50 kids.
Shut up, fool. Mind your business. Mind your business. No! Don't play with me. I'm not playing with you. Javon, stop! Oh, ooh. Y'all, he wanna die.
Are you sweating?
Yeah.
I'm sweating. God damn. God damn.
Woo.
Is it good? You just gonna feed them both?
Yeah, I'm post this thing right now. Guys, look at this. So, mind your business. Damn, my sweat just went in my mouth. Ew. All right, guys, I think Javon gonna leave. I'm gonna leave first.
What?
I think you gonna leave first. Come on, just get out.
I'm gonna leave first. I'm trying to meditate right now.
Go on, get out.
I'm trying to meditate right now.
Boy, my hair finna come up.
You gonna walk away. And your hair gonna jump off your head and run out the door.
I'm listening to Ice Me Out. He gonna get out first, y'all. Wait, 17 minutes, get out. Boy, he is on the bike, Lord Jesus. Look at this clown, y'all. Y'all, what am I gonna do with him? What the hell? Come on, come here. Come on, put that back. Now, come on now. Do my TikTok.
I get that TikTok, man.
My sweat's on my mouth. Feel me. Come on.
What happened?
You ready?
What happened? This what one?
Come on.
I'm ready.
Babe, get out. My wig finna come up. Okay, we done. Babe, stop. You actually trying to make me lose. Why you playing? Why you playing? I'm getting cool. You still hot. Get out.
You ain't hug, bro?
No, babe. You sweating.
Damn, you sticky, bro. You sticky.
Am I?
You sticky. Damn. You sticky. You never sweating that much.
Yes, I am right
You
here.
just sweating. Oh, God. God. Look. She's not sweating up here, but she's sweating right in this section only. How that makes sense?
Babe, this part here, this part, and this part is the only part I sweated.
Yo, weird motherfucker.
Did it? I sweat right there. I sweat on my back. I sweat on my chest.
Shit. Don't do that. Move. Don't waste the water. Move. Put my shit down. I'm gonna dunk that shit on you. Put my shit down. God damn. Ooh. God damn, boy.
You cool off now?
Cool.
What's that?
Move, Randy. Come on.
Oh my gosh, y'all, it's too hot out here.
Quick.
My mama ain't raised no quick.
Leave.
Ow, ooh, that was my titty.
Oh, I still got this in my ear.
Y'all, my wig literally is like moving.
Somebody got quit.
What's it gonna be? Y'all look at my wig.
Bitch, you lift it off.
No! Stop! Javon! Y'all look what he did. He trying to snatch my edges off. Stop! Pin that shit back. You stick it back. Stop, boy, you know. No, stop. It's too hot for that. Back. Ow! Move! Stop! Javon, that hurt. Give me some water.
No, no.
Y'all, he pulled my wig off. Look.
Damn.
Oh my God!
Damn. Stop. I'm not playing with you. You're gonna snatch my edges with. Stop, boy. Y'all look. Move. Stupid.
I should get you back. God,
No, stop, Javon.
Somebody got quit.
Who gonna quit?
What you saying?
They stop. Okay, move.
You gonna quit?
You gonna quit? I ain't quitting. Stop, Javon.
Guys, the battery about to die.
The struggle is real.
Go ahead and quit.
Damn!
God dang, don't do that. You gonna scare the subscribers away.
Shut up.
Bro, you gonna scare the subscribers away. They thought that was real. Imagine if somebody little kid watching this video now.
Jesus Christ.
One more clip.
No, I'm not quitting. What? Javon, quit. I'm quitting. Stop. Stop! I'm not playing with you. I was smacking your face.
We're done.
Yo, Javon,
Come on, please.
why you messed up my hair? I gotta go work tomorrow.
You have a whole 10 hours before you go to work. Go, put my shit down. Chill.
This is mine.
This is what yours.
I claimed it.
Quit, Nalani, quit.
You quit.
Quit. Man, quit. I'm sure you're gonna quit the battery.
You quit. You quit. You want to quit. You want to quit because battery going low. I ain't no quitter. Y'all, I gotta go fix my hair.
Why don't you walk? Because you were living for.
Divine, no. You know I gotta go work in the morning. Why did you do that?
So you can't fix it right now?
Yes.
Well, that's why you're worried about it.
Cause it's wet now. I gotta wait for it to dry.
Cheers.
Boss smack you with this goddamn gone. Alright, y'all, we're gonna end the video right here because nobody wants to quit.
Somebody gotta quit. You
No.
gonna quit.
Why I gotta quit?
I ain't quitting.
Stop.
You wanna talk about any video? Hey, put that phone down, bro.
Peace.
What? You quitting? Put this camera on. You quitting? She quitting, guys. Go ahead and quit. Go ahead and quit. Go ahead and quit. You know you want to quit. You can't take the heat. Go ahead and quit.
Y'all.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Quit. 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 Come
I'm
on.
only quitting because the battery's going dead.
So, shit, I saw the battery. I ain't quitting either.
Okay, fine. Shoot. Shoot.
So you,
Nah. You say you
Well.
saw the battery too.
guys, it's gonna be a long ass video.
You annoying. wig. Now I gotta freaking tape my doggone wig to my forehead.
You bugging.
We out.
Hell no.
I'm not putting this one.
Nah, you putting this one in there, guys.
I'm
Look,
putting that one.
look, she gonna, the battery died, she gonna start her video. Hell no.
Nah, whatever.
I ain't quit.
Yes, you did.
I ain't quit.
Yes, you did.
I ain't quit.
Yes, he did, y'all. He cheated.
Okay, if I quit, I ain't giving you that $200.
Yes, you are.
I ain't giving you that $200.
Yes, you are.
Bet money.
Bet money. You give me. Why you pinky swear?
So what we gonna do then?
Y'all, he pinky swear. He's talking about bet money. Bet money on it. Bet money.
I ain't looking shit. I ain't giving you $200.
He giving me my money.
So, okay, so you say I quit? You say I quit?
You quit.
You ain't getting no $200 then?
Yes, I am. Y'all look here, so his whole sweat on his face is dried up.
Bro, nah, hell nah. It's still on my face.
Suffering.
Show your face. Show your face. Show your face. Look. Come down there, someone. Scoop down there.
But
Look.
I don't sweat on my forehead. I sweat on my nose.
Look,
Everybody know that.
See, look at me pop this right so.
Y'all, cause he just made that up.
Bro, you cheated, bro.
You cheated.
Bro, you knew what you was doing.
Nah, what else?
You
You had your phone right there.
My phone would've died.
Nah,
Come show you. My phone would've
I
died.
know it's gonna die because it just showed me.
My phone at 8%.
I won this shit. I won this
Fine,
shit.
okay. I ain't
He mad,
getting
y'all. He mad.
You ain't getting no
He
$200.
mad. Yes, I am.
You ain't gonna do that. Okay, how will you get in the video then?
I don't play by my money.
In the video then. In the video then. In the video. In the video.
Y'all, he mad. Look
You
at
say
him.
I was in it?
Look
You
at
ain't
my
gonna do it at all.
Yes, I am. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Oh, you a cheater.
How I'm cheating? You the one went out the garage.
I need that goddamn battery. The
Your
box you
phone.
dead. My phone got that in my top.
My camera, my laptop right here. My
Yeah,
tablet.
why you gonna use it then? Okay, shit. In the video, since you're gonna use that, ain't no blood clot here, bro.
Oh, he bad.
In the video, you ain't gonna die, true, bro.
Yes, I am.
You gonna see?
We are gonna see.
In the video then.
You idiot.
Shit, you the one that want, you the one that said quick. I'm still moving and grooving.
I'm still moving and grooving. Yeah, because you went in there and cooled off.
I went there for not even 1 minute.
We're gonna see how many minutes it was.
In the video, it was like 20 seconds. In the video.
Did he just say it was one?
And the blood clot and I stop shot since they lose. Can you not get my $200?
Y'all, he mad. Look at him.
In the video.
In the blood clot truck, man.
In the video, I stop shot. The chat, come on. She just said lose. In the video.
Peace.
You quit.
No.
I win.
No.
You quit. I got it. You quit.
No,
You went inside. You quit.
No, I didn't.
You quit. I'll let you give him my $200. All right, guys. As you guys can see, man. Chill. I got the camera. Chill. Post it. Stop. Stop. Yeah, it's water. Stop this water. Stop this water. Stop this water. Let him water. Let him water.
Okay, I'm gonna let it go. No, you let it go.
Let him water. Let him. Man, you wasting my water. Chill.
The power couple.
I won, so I don't care. That's how you went in that door. You ain't catch me walking out the door.
I caught you all ass walking back in it though.
So?
Alright guys, I'm finna go fix my wig and we're gonna end the video right here. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video that we made and stay tuned for other videos. Peace.